How do you start your day? I love waking up to a different awareness, expanding focus every morning. And this one is I'm so happy and grateful now that my awareness is expanding each day. I know everything I need is right here, right now. So, quick question. What is your level of awareness? Well, actually, better question is what is awareness? For most, their mind is like a room with mirrored walls. It wouldn't matter which way they looked, all they would ever be able to see was them and their situation. When an individual is supersensitive, jumps at conclusions, and allows themselves to be negative, they are showing their immaturity. By replacing the mirrors with windows, this high level of sensitivity can be converted into awareness, and negative impressions made to serve as a stimulus for creative thought. And this in turn will lead to happiness, peace of mind, and a fulfilled life. This is from the ABCs of Success. So I am Madeline Kennedy. I am a Bob Proctor consultant, and I am excited to reach out to you anytime that you feel like you want to learn a little bit more about this, or just follow me here on YouTube or on my website at mkennedypgiconsultant.com or belovedessences.com. Much love. See you next time. Bye for now.